Hey, here we go, hey? Friday's here. Work's finished. Woo! And are we gonna have a fantastic weekend and a fantastic shave? I'll run through the stuff you've seen by the thumbnail. Blacks and silvers, guys, they're a nightmare to photograph. They really are. But anyway, let's have a whip down. First off, the brush. Check this bad boy out. Look at that. That look nice. Marbled effect. My camera's not doing it a great deal of justice. Let me get this right. That is Barrister and Man. You see it? Secret Legendary Scents by Barrister and Man. That's their brush. 24mm. Absolutely beautiful. Soft knot. We'll put that there in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. Right in from work. Right into the bathroom. It's about 3:10. Here we go, guys. 100% legend. We're on Amazon Happy Belly Coffee. And to be fair, it's actually pretty good coffee. It is pretty good coffee. Okay, razor today. Check out this bad boy. That's the Oneblade hybrid razor. That's it's called a hybrid because they did two razors. They did the Genesis and the Core, and this is an amalgamation of them both. Before we go any further, I'll have a little rundown. I went on the website. What website is it, John? Executive Shaving. There you go. It says the Oneblade Hybrid is a great razor which blends the best of both the Core and the Genesis together. Anodized aluminium stand, ultra high grade stainless steel 316L, pivoting head, Teflon coated stainless steel spring inside, quick load blade system, engineering grade Triton handle infused with a stainless steel rod, comes with 10 feather blades and a guarantee for life. This was very kindly gifted to me by Scouse Ian. How are you doing, Ian? Thank you. Look at this, guys. It pivots. So if you're thinking of making the leap from cartridge raising to wet shaving, this may be something for you to think about. That's not there. They're the blades. Ian sent me about 30 blades as well. Absolutely phenomenal. Was just a staggering, absolutely staggering act of generosity on Ian's part. That my gast was well and truly flabbered. Let's get these blades. I know because there's one up there. Look, that little sucker at the top. Come on, you. Right, I want to get there. You no, it's not having any of it. There's one stuck there. You go. This one was stuck right at the top of the pack. And I know it's been used once. There you go, guys. Please enlighten me if you've ever seen me use a razor blade more than once. I'm sure I must have done. I'm pretty much a one and done guy. There you go. There's the feather blades. That's what it looks like. Check that out. That's what it looks like out of the packaging. There you go. And what you do is you slot that goes in there. You slot that in there. Come on, get in. Bad eyes, fat fingers, give me a minute. There you go. So you slot it in there like that. You'll hear a click. Are you ready? Do you hear that click? That's it, locked in place. Now to get it out, you just push up and it springs back out again. But there you go. That's our blade. That's it loaded. Check that out, guys. Absolutely wonderful. We'll put that in there next to the brush, ready for the big shave. Going to be balming up with this. An Amazon find, look, Rappor Balm. I've used Rappor Balm before, but I didn't know they did this. This is Rappor Black. This is lavender scented, or so it's said. I don't get a lot of lavender from it, but it smells very nice and it was really cheap. So there you go. That's the balm we're going to be balming up with. Calm down, John. I'm going to calm down today. And lavender. Why lavender? Because Christopher Thompson, thank you very much, Christopher, sent me a wonderful gift. And look at what was in it. Lothur Calm. Now, I've used Lothur before. It didn't smell like this. I can't remember which one it was. That smells absolutely beautiful. He took a little bit out of there. Oh, and the reason I took it out of there is very, very simple. The last Lothur soap I used was very, very dry. That may have been because it was taken out, put in a sample. I got it off Jim Will Shave. He sent it to me. Now, I immediately noticed this base was different. I don't know if it's been changed up, but this, I got it in and I smudged it around. And I smudged it, check out the new ball, guys. Look, a Pereira ball. Head to that, because you can sit that in there. And that's what we'll do. So that's the soap we're using, the splash we're using, the ball. I didn't, as you can see, I didn't take a lot. So let's see. Oh, before anything, here we go. Fair's fair. And a website, Pasteur's Shaving website. Calm is a lively, fresh lavender accord. I get that. I only get lavender. I say that because it says it's got touches of green notes through its heart and a soft powdery base. Yes, absolutely. And hints of eucalyptus. Don't get the eucalyptus. Don't get the green notes. I get bucket loads of lavender. And when it dries down, the aftershave, when it dries down, you do get that powdery scent. There you go. Absolutely wonderful. So thank you very much, Christopher Thompson. Thank you very much, Scouse Ian. Thank you very much, John. We're going to crack on. We're going to crack on and we're going to see what we can do with this. There you go. The scent strength on this, I would put about 6. Now, to my nose, and this is me, you may pick it up as well, but I'm not blaming the scents, I'm blaming me. Whenever I smell lavender, with this I get the lavender and I get the powderiness, but I also get licorice. Does anybody else do that? Do you get that licorice? Towards the tail end of the scent I get licorice. I get it on all lavender scents. So maybe it's just something in my DNA. But let's have a do and see. Look at that. Wasn't going very long. Anyway, and as you've seen by what I've taken out, there wasn't a lot there, was there? So now to me, the scent's just increased the minute we started lathering it up. This is going to be a thirsty one, this, guys. This is going to be a thirsty soap. Nothing wrong with that. It's just that I particularly don't spend a lot of time lathering. So if it's thirsty, it's going to get a drink on the face. You can see yourself. It's a very good quality lather. You can see that. I dip the tips. I dip the whole brush in then. And let's have a look. Look at this. And I did not put a lot. I did not put a lot in that bowl, guys. Didn't. Smells really nice. I will say though, you're going to have to, this is only my opinion, you're going to have to like lavender if you're thinking of getting this. Because I think it's like it's a proper lavender slap in the face. It really is. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean, I like strong scented soaps. And to me, this is a strong scented, lavender scented soap. So, you know what I mean? Don't look at this lather and hear what I say and read the website and think, oh, to me personally, actually, you're going to have to like lavender if you want this. Here you go. Let's put that. You see that pivot? See that pivot working? Wonderful. Shall we do a slickness test? I don't need to, I can tell you right now. I don't need to. Yeah, that's very, very slick. Very slick. It's a quality soap, guys. It's a quality soap. So that's it really. How are you doing? How's your weekend? What are you up to? How's your weekend? It hasn't started yet, has it? Oh, it's been a good week. You know what? It's not been too tiring. My boss bought me breakfast this morning. That was good. Oh man, isn't it funny? Been there 3.5 years, nobody's ever bought me breakfast. I go on a diet and the whole world wants to buy me breakfast. But it was lovely. It feels good to be home and ready for the weekend without being tired. It's March now. Our clocks go forward to British summertime at the end of this month. And it's also my 37th wedding anniversary in March. So, I don't know. I don't know what wifey poos will be getting me. But I hope it's shaving related. So please let me know what your shave of the day is. And what's our other SOTD? Let me know what your slurp of the day is. You know what I'm on. I don't think I'll be having a drink tonight, guys. And spend some bit of time with my granddaughter, have a shower later. And it will probably be an early night for me. I said that last week. And then about 8 o'clock I was like, bottle of jam shed on the side. So it is all these little tricks. I said to Samantha, I don't want to open it and just have it sat there for a couple of days. So if I open it, will you have a glass? She said, go on then. So we opened it. Had a glass each. So let me know what your shave of the day is and your other SOTD. And that's it. Let me know what you thought of this, what you think of this razor. I don't think you see a lot of them about now. That pivot does take some getting used to, but once you've dialed it in, I mean, if I was having a den clean out and getting rid of a load of razors for whatever reason, I'd keep this one. Primarily because it was a gift, but if I bought this myself, I'd keep it. I don't think it's a bad razor at all. And you certainly can't fault it on build quality. Look at this. Did okay that ball, shaving time. I think it was £10. That's a good ball. I didn't really need a ball, but I've seen lots of people over the years with that style of ball. So I thought I'll get that from a good fella's smile, £10. Hold your brush. Don't get it, you show it in the channel. And if you go on shaving time and you type in John 101, they knock 5% off. It was 10, now it's 5. My value's diminished. Mate, oh, I tell you, honestly, this is okay, you know. The soap's doing well. I think I'd actually planned on coming in here and doing a 30-minute shave, but I don't think I've got it in me. I just don't think I've got it in me to do a 30-minute video. I'll try one day, I will. I should do. Really take my time. And have a wonderful relaxing shave. Yeah. Okay. I like this razor. It's certainly built with superior quality material, I'll tell you that. Wow, that's soap. Yeah, again, Do you remember last week with the tobacco? I could have gone over just the residual slickness. I could do that here, but I'm missing leather mittens now. As I look at my phone here, I'm recording this on my phone. The picture looks really dark, but it isn't really dark in here. So that either my phone, the exposure, I hope it don't do that. I forgot to lock the exposure. Oh, honestly. I've got a memory like a sieve. Here, let's see if we can do it now. There you go. That's it. Here we go. So we've done the leather mittens. You'd be surprised the number of people that said to me in the comments, where was the leather mittens? And I've got to make sure I do it. Because the first time I stop, some obscure wet shaver somewhere will go, hey dude, welcome to my channel. Look at this thing that I invented, leather mittens. No. Oh, I'm only kidding. I'm kidding. I'm only kidding. Sinatra Lennon would never do that to me, would he? Oh man, I love that guy. I love that guy. Check this out, look. The bathroom's starting to steam up. I think I had a shower. Oh my word. There you go. We did okay, didn't we? Cheers. I think maybe I should have done this on a Saturday morning, but I wanted to get it done. I've got some stuff to do. But there you go. We did okay. That's not, I wouldn't call that job interview standard. But when I go on and sit down there, the hairs will retract a bit and it'll get a bit smoother. Okay. Here we go. Now, this, I'll tell you, I put some on the back of my hand, guys. Oh wow, this is a serious lavender punch in the face. Well, it is just pure concentrated lavender scent. Dries down fantastically, so a lovely powdery lavender scent. But on the initial, when you initially put it on, it really does punch you in the face with lavender. And I like lavender, I do, I like lavender. There you go, so we'll put some of this on. And that's us, guys. That is our shave. Oh yeah, actually that goes very, very well. Very well together. Here's me, sweating like a bull. Sweating like a stallion. Christopher. There you go, come on. We did okay, didn't we? That's alright. Nice and smooth. Impressed with that soap. Absolute thank you, Christopher. Thank you, Straussian. And thank you to everybody for watching, all your likes and all your comments. And if you're not a subscriber and you like what you see, you want to support the channel, the best way to do it is click that subscribe button. Look after yourselves, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Bye.